Hello, I'm Keigo. Stop saying Sayonara to your friends. It sounds like goodbye forever. It's too heavy and dramatic. If we want to sound friendly and local, use the Hokkaido word Shitakke. Shitakke basically means so or then. How does so become goodbye? Imagine you are leaving a party. You slap your knees and say, right then, before you stand up. It signals the end. Shitakke is exactly that right then. Let's practice. Friend A, that was fun. Friend B, yeah, see you. In Hokkaido. A, Shitakke, right then. B, Shitakke ne, see ya. It sounds warm and inclusive. Language is about belonging. I want you to feel like you belong in Japan. Shitakke, check my calendar on Preply. See you next time. Shitakke ne. Ciao ciao.